Today we are giving this terrarium a haircut.
As you can see, it's getting a little too long and out of control. I usually trim it once a month. The more you trim, the lusher it will grow. I also trim down the overgrown plants inside. They grow thicker and stronger after cutting off the excess stems or branches. And sometimes not all the moss you originally planted will survive. This could be for various reasons. Maybe the environment isn't right, or some mosses are just more pickier about their habitat. When this happens, I simply remove them and remember not to use this type of moss for this container in the future. I like to replant the freshly trimmed moss back into the empty soil. It's a very satisfying process, and I feel like I was giving this terrarium a hair transplant. After a few months, you'll end up with a full lush green moss lawn. Planting back the trimmed plants from earlier